Today, we're turning the Internet of Things into real business impact. If you run plants, fleets, branches, or field ops, you already have connected devices. The question is, how do you turn those signals into fewer outages, lower cost, better service levels, and new revenue? Here's a practical end-to-end playbook we use at FirstCompute. Step 1. Start with outcomes, not devices. Pick 3 to 5 goals with clear owners and deadlines. Examples: reduce unplanned downtime by 20% in 6 months. Cut energy per output unit by 15%. Raise first-time fix to 85%. Move SLA adherence to 98%. Tie each goal to the process you'll change when data arrives. Write a one-page outcome card. Baseline, target, timeframe, the system of record you'll update, and who approves changes. Step 3. Design the minimal viable architecture. Keep it simple. At the edge, gateways aggregate sensors, filter noise, and run quick checks so you don't ship every byte to the cloud. In the core, use a message broker for ingestion, a time series store and data lake for history, a rules engine for alerts, and API-first integration back into your business systems. Choose connectivity that fits the job: Wi-Fi or Ethernet on site, 5G for mobile, LoRa or mesh for long-range low power. If your architecture diagram does not fit on one slide, it's too complex. Step 4. Get data right the first time. Treat data like a product. Standardize schemas, units, timestamps, and IDs. Add quality checks at ingestion. Flag missing or flatline sensors. Keep lineage so every chart and model is explainable. Publish your golden signals, 8 to 12 required fields per asset, so everyone knows what good data looks like. Step 5. Build security, privacy, and governance in line. Issue device identities and certificates. Segment networks. Enforce least privilege access. Encrypt in transit and at rest. Rotate keys. Patch firmware and gateways on a schedule. Set regional retention policies and document control owners. Make a 12-point security checklist that must be green before you scale. Step 6. Where AI and generative AI actually help. AI predicts what happens next: failure risk, energy drift, demand spikes. Generative AI explains and accelerates the follow-through. For example, why did line 3 slow down? A Gen AI copilot pulls sensor history, the last work order, and parts notes, cites the evidence, recommends the fix, and drafts the maintenance ticket for human approval. Use retrieval-augmented generation so answers are grounded in your manuals, standard operating procedures, and policy documents. Building on how AI helps, let me give you a tangible example of these steps in action, specifically how we apply predictive capabilities. We worked with one of our clients, a mid-sized automotive parts producer who faced frequent, unpredictable downtime on a critical stamping line. Their existing data was siloed, lacking the actionable insights needed to prevent issues. Following our playbook, we implemented a tailored IoT solution. This involved deploying vibration and temperature sensors on key machinery components. The edge data, aggregated and then analyzed by AI, allowed us to predict potential equipment failures hours, sometimes days in advance. This transformed their maintenance strategy from reactive to truly predictive. Within 6 months, they achieved a 25% reduction in unplanned downtime and a 15% decrease in maintenance costs. Their first-time fix rates also improved dramatically. As their operations manager highlighted, this foresight empowered their team and smoothed production. It clearly demonstrates how a focused IoT strategy integrating our playbook steps and AI delivers measurable operational excellence.